Hello, my name is Adam. I'm the marketing coordinator for Tier 3 Technology Solutions. You know the hardest part of marketing IT? It's that it's not very visually interesting. For example, if you're a fashion company or a baking company or car manufacturer or Bill and Susie's handmade wicker baskets, you can show the product being built or you can show people enjoying the product. With IT, it's difficult because you can talk about everything it does, like improving your company's performance, keeping you more secure from cyber threats. You can talk about how it saves you time, it saves you money in the long run through creating better systems. Now, one of my tasks is to break through on social media, but social media is all about flashy video that draws your attention in lightning quick. When it comes to marketing IT, you can show servers, you can show people typing on keyboards, you can show hackers in dark, spooky rooms, but it doesn't hit the same as a delicious cake. So I asked my supervisor Danny for a budget that I could spend on crazy ideas that would pull in views. He's given me $200 to spend in any crazy way I can come up with. And the first idea I had was to put Tier 3's branding on a hot air balloon.
So it turns out 9 days is not a realistic timeline for $200.
I want to be honest with you for a second. I never thought I was going to get a hot air balloon for $200, but I didn't want to look like an idiot in front of Danny. So I came up with the next best thing. Like I said, this is super difficult, and I think, however, that that balloon, that's gonna win a lot of awards.